Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to compare Midjourney t-shirt design with the Kittle t-shirt design. And with this one, as you can see, I'm currently inside Kittle, and also I have Midjourney. Let me just pull it up and minimize it. Just click on that, minimize it on the left side. Perfect. And I'm just gonna look for Midjourney. There we have it. So the thing here is, this is going to be inside Midjourney, right? There's a lot of things going on. There's the general tabs. However, I'm going to go on my own server. Because on my own server, I have Midjourney inside it. If I'm not mistaken, there we have it. So I have a video on how to add Midjourney and all other AI tools inside your own server, so please check it out. Anyway, without further ado, let's focus first on Kittle. And with this one, click on T-Search. After clicking on T-Search, you're gonna have a lot of templates to work with. So for example, this one right here, Juicebox Royalty, it's a pretty good one. However, please take note that there are some that are not available for everyone to use. What I'm meaning is that you'll see that little crown icon, the yellow crown icon, that is for paid subscription. And since I have a free trial, I can only use the ones that don't have that yellow crown icon. So I think I'm just gonna look for a good one that doesn't have that crown icon. I think this one right here is good enough. So simply click on it right now. So once you click on it, you're gonna have this option to use the design or get the prompt. However, if you use the design, you can still edit it. If you want to use this as it is, you're gonna copy the design, which is not really what do you call this one, advisable. So I think with this, I'm just gonna use this design. So here we have it. Currently, this is the main platform. So once you click on the text there, you can check the text settings on the right side. You can change the color. For example, I want this a little bit more yellow. There we have it. So technically, I have already changed some things here. If I want to change the design, I can simply go to Kittle AI and then look for an image. Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna compare the design that the AI will give us, but we're just gonna use the same prompt. With that being said, let me just open my prompt. So this is gonna be the sample prompts we have. I'm gonna go with this one, a galaxy theme design featuring Kittle wearing a space helmet. So the first thing, we're gonna go to Kittle. I'm just gonna paste it right there. Make sure you're an image generator. And with that, we're just gonna choose a style. I'm gonna go for this one. I think click show all. I'm gonna go with this one, synthwave. Okay, let me just change it a little bit more so we can choose vintage, and I'm gonna use vintage also on Midjourney. I think I'm good here. I'm just gonna generate one right now. While it's generating, I'm gonna open Midjourney. So here's Midjourney we have here. Simply type in imagine, of course, that one right there, a galaxy theme design featuring a Kittle wearing a space helmet. Of course, I'm gonna put vintage style right there. Though it's not the exact prompt that we use in Kittle, I've just added vintage style because we cannot choose models here, right? So simply click on answer and wait for it to go back. Now let's go back on Kittle. And there we have it. This is gonna be the Kittle photo. Delete that one. I'm gonna paste it here. Give me a second. I'm gonna pull it right there, and it's good enough. The thing about on Kittle that makes it better on t-shirt design versus Midjourney is the text. That's only the one thing I want to highlight here. Because in Kittle, you can edit the text as is. For example, on this option right there, you can make this in a circle, like so, or make it in the directed circle like so. I think I missed it. Give me a second. I'm just gonna pull it up. Perfect. Now you're gonna see that it's in the lower part. I can move forward or move to the front. Perfect. That's the thing there. You can edit the text as you see fit. Now let's go back on Midjourney. So this is our results. Actually, the design are good, but the thing that is different here is, for example, I'm gonna paste it one more time. Type in imagine, a galaxy theme design featuring a cute kitten holding a sign with a text I might just say, hello, wearing a space helmet, vintage style. I'm gonna copy this prompt, click on enter, and I'm gonna go back to Kittle because I want to show you the difference here. So I'm gonna paste it right there. I'm gonna remove the vintage style because I already have vintage photo right here, and simply click on generate image. So I want to show you how powerful this is. Again, for me, if you're teacher design, just use Kittle, don't bother using Midjourney. However, there is a case-to-case basis there. If you open a Midjourney, for example, you want to choose one photo, you can upload the photo itself and paste it on Kittle and just add your text on Kittle itself. That is how the workaround here. For example, if I upscale number 4, you'll see in the number 4, it's a pretty good image. Just add some text there, just add some stuff to work with, and you're good to go. Let me just try it on my end right there. I'm gonna save the image, and I'm gonna show you how to add it on Kittle. So I'm gonna give you an extra step to work with. I'm gonna upload right there. I think I have it on desktop. I'm gonna delete this one right there. Wait for it to load up. Perfect. So there we have it. So you can just simply use any text you want here. Of course, move to front for all of the text you want. And basically, that is how to use Midjourney images in Kittle. Because to be honest, Midjourney images are good. The only downside is that they're not that accurate regarding text. So let me just check my Kittle AI if I have the results already. I think this is our result, and that is the text. Hello, which is actually not the hello that we're looking for. If I open Midjourney right now, there we have it. That is the hello that we're looking for. So even though I'm saying Midjourney is not always up front, there are times that it will give you the ones you like. It only depends on the prompt. Again, make sure it's going to be on uppercase and use the apostrophe option. That being said, if you're satisfied with this one, for example, you're good to go here. Of course, you can download it, PNG or SVG or JPEG. Also, if you download an SVG, of course, you can use Illustrator, Adobe, or even Photoshop to edit some stuff here. But for this video, I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you the comparison to the two. Again, if you're going to ask me, Kittle is the one to go. However, if you want to use the Midjourney design, just upload them on Kittle and you'll be good to go. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.